In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Facebook post in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the templates page where I can browse through various categories like social media, video, and business. I'm looking for something specific, so I'll click on the Facebook post icon to see all the available designs. As the gallery loads, I can scroll through a massive variety of professional templates, ranging from event announcements and inspirational quotes to restaurant menus and travel posts. I'll keep scrolling until I find a layout that catches my eye. This food menu template looks perfect, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I want to make it my own. I'll start by clicking on the main text element to highlight it. I'm going to change this to diabetic friendly to better suit my target audience. I'll drag the corners of the text box to make sure the words fit perfectly on one line. Next, I want to change the font style. I'll open the font menu on the left and scroll through the different options until I find something that feels right. I'll go with Summer Hugs to give it a more approachable, handwritten look. Now I'll adjust the size and position so it aligns nicely with the rest of the text. To make the visuals more relevant, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for diabetic food in the Photos section. I can browse through the results until I find images that look fresh and appetizing. To replace the existing photos, I simply click and drag my new selection over the circular frames, and they'll snap right into place. I'll do this for the other frames as well, choosing high-quality images of healthy salads and meals. To add some depth to the design, I'll search for a kitchen background in the photo library. I'll pick a clean, bright kitchen image and right-click to select Replace Background. Then I'll add a green gradient image. To make sure my text and food images are still the main focus, I'll click on the transparency tool and slide it down until the background is soft and subtle. Finally, I'll make some color adjustments. I'll select my main text and change the color to a darker green to provide better contrast against the new background. I'll also tweak the positioning of a few elements to ensure the overall layout is balanced and professional. And that's how you create a professional Facebook post in Canva in just a few steps.